Hello everyone! 2 fresh green zucchinis paired with 2 tomatoes. Let me show you how to make a delicious dish with perfect color, aroma, and taste that you've definitely never tried before. These 2 common vegetables from the market can be stir-fried to be more flavorful than meat. If you're interested, follow my video to see how it's made. First, prepare the zucchinis. Look, the surface of the zucchini looks smooth, but it actually hides a lot of dirt, impurities, and a thin layer of fuzz covered in dust. Scrub thoroughly with your hands several times to make sure it's clean and safe to eat. After washing, cut off the ends. These parts are tough, so we can discard them. Then cut the zucchini in half lengthwise. You'll clearly see the full seeds and soft pulp inside. Cut each half into 2 again. Then scrape out the seeds and pulp with a knife, gently slicing along the edge to keep only the crispy outer part. Cut the prepared zucchini into thin slices about 0.5 centimeters thick on the diagonal. The diagonal cuts not only look nice, but also help the slices absorb the flavor better. Put all the sliced zucchini into a large bowl. Next, a key step. Sprinkle 10 grams of salt into the bowl. Then mix well with your hands so every slice is coated. This step is to draw out excess water from the zucchini. Let it sit aside for 10 minutes after mixing. Now, prepare the tomatoes. Make a cross cut on the top of each tomato. This makes it easier to peel off the skin later. Place the tomatoes in a pot and pour in boiling water around 100 degrees Celsius to cover them. Blanching the tomatoes in boiling water makes peeling easier and cleaner than roasting them over fire. Cover the pot and let them soak for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let's chop some aromatics. Take a handful of washed green onions. Use only the white parts, and chop them into small pieces. Prepare a few garlic cloves. Crush them with a knife, then mince finely. Set them aside for later. Get a small bowl and crack 3 fresh eggs into it. No need to whisk them. Just set aside. Peel and cut the tomatoes. After 3 minutes, the tomatoes are ready. The skin will peel off easily with a light tug. Super convenient. Cut the peeled tomatoes in half. Remove the tough stems. They'll affect the texture if left on. Then cut them into irregular chunks. No need to be neat. Put the chopped tomatoes on a plate and set aside. Once all ingredients are prepped, heat a small pot with an appropriate amount of cooking oil. Here's a tip: heat the oil until it smokes slightly. Then pour in the eggs. Don't stir immediately. Let them fry for 1 minute until the bottom turns golden and crispy. Gently slide a spatula under the eggs and flip them over to fry the other side until golden, puffy, and sizzling with oil. Transfer the fried eggs to a plate to cool. Then cut into small pieces. Cook the zucchini. By now, the zucchini has released a lot of water. Squeeze out the excess moisture with your hands. This prevents the dish from being too soupy when stir-frying. Pour the squeezed zucchini directly into the pot and stir-fry quickly over high heat to cook out any remaining water. Keep stirring until the zucchini softens slightly, with edges turning light golden and crispy. Transfer it to a plate and set aside. Sauté the aromatics and tomatoes. No need to wash the pot. Add the minced green onion whites and garlic. Then stir-fry quickly over high heat until fragrant. Add the tomato chunks. And for faster release of tomato pulp, sprinkle a pinch of salt. It helps soften the tomatoes and draw out juice. Keep stirring until the kitchen is filled with a sweet and sour aroma. Combine and simmer. Put the zucchini back into the pot with the tomatoes. Stir-fry quickly over high heat to coat the zucchini evenly with tomato sauce. Once fragrant, pour a small spoonful of water along the edge of the pot. Add the chopped fried eggs. Cover the lid and simmer for 2 minutes to let the flavors blend thoroughly. Uncover Stir for another 30 seconds to coat all ingredients with the sauce. Then start seasoning. Add 12 grams of sugar and 12 grams of light soy sauce for umami. Since the zucchini was salted earlier, no extra salt is needed. Stir well to incorporate the seasonings. Final touch. Drizzle a little cooking oil and stir a few times to give all ingredients a shiny glaze. Now you can turn off the heat and serve. On the plate, red tomatoes, green zucchini, and golden egg chunks coated in glossy sauce look so appetizing you can't help but salivate. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Finally, wish you all happiness every day.